Hey everyone, want to resize an image in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to change the size of your images step by step. Yeah, whether you're preparing a photo for social media, a website, or printing, this guide will help you resize it without any hassle. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to resize. Click File, then Open, and select your image. Once the image appears on the canvas, you're ready to begin. Next, click the Image menu at the top of the screen and choose Scale Image. This option allows you to change the width and height of your image. In the Scale Image window, enter your preferred width or height. You'll notice a chain icon next to the dimensions. Keeping this icon linked maintains the image's proportions, so it doesn't become stretched or distorted. If needed, you can also change the image resolution by adjusting the X and Y resolution values. This is especially useful if you're preparing the image for printing. After entering the new dimensions, click the Scale button to apply the changes. GIMP will resize your image based on the values you selected. Take a moment to review the resized image. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can use Undo and try different dimensions until the image looks the way you want. It's always a good idea to preview the final size before saving. When everything looks good, click File, then Export As, and save the resized image in your preferred format, such as PNG or JPEG, so you'll have a new image that's ready to upload, print, or share. And that's how you resize an image in GIMP. It's a quick and easy process that helps you prepare images for almost any purpose. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.